No, we're going to turn now to weather because we're seeing a big change today.
We are, yeah. Winds are going crazy. My hair is glued down because I don't want it to, go all over the place. But as you can tell here with our satellite and radar, as far as conditions, as far as cloudiness or sunniness, well, we're just going to remain sunny. That's not going to change. We'll zoom out a bit more because you'll see that, well, all of us are pretty much in the same boat. That front is expected to push all the way through the state of Texas over the course of the day today and into the overnight hours. Temperatures still a bit warmer than where we were yesterday at this point. 63 degrees in Austin right now, and 63 in Llano, 61 in Fredericksburg. We're at still in the 50s in Mason, Blanco, and Lampasas as well. And I'll play this out, and really there's not going to be too much of a change as we go throughout the day today and into tomorrow. Will remain mostly clear. Tonight you may get a few clouds out there, but when we get into Thursday, it's just going to be a sunny day. And this is what I talked about yesterday, where we're just going to be on this same kind of trend over the next couple of days. We have the front today. Tomorrow will get a bit warmer, and as we get into Friday, another front arrives, so we'll see that up and down. But the wind gusts are going to stick around with us through most of the day. You can see that they even passed that 30-mile-per-hour point, up to 32 to 33 miles per hour as far as wind gusts are concerned. We don't drop down again until about 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., where things slowly start to make their way down into the single digits as we get into the overnight hours. So highs for today, I'll keep us within at least the mid to upper 60s. We're not going to trend too much warmer just because that front will drive in some of the colder air. A few spots may drive up into the 70s, but I think we'll all mostly be within the upper 60s. And tonight will be a cold one. 38 in Austin. Surrounding areas could drop down to freezing in many spots. And there you go. You start to warm up, and then that next front comes in, and then by Saturday, we're back down again into the 40s for the morning hours. Then we're going to have to wait as that front finally pushes through, at least for that second burst of colder air to make its way in. We're getting no rainfall out of that one Friday into Saturday. Most of the rain will remain to the south and along the coast and into the Gulf. And as we get into Saturday and Sunday, it'll be a nice, cool weekend. However, we'll have to wait again until Monday for that next front to come in. That'll give us a 10% chance of rainfall. So a little bit of up and down here, slowly warming up over the next few days. Front comes in, drives us down, warm up a bit more, and then another front comes in, takes us back down with a little chance of rain. All right, I mentioned the possibility of freezing in some of the hill country. Let's go and send it over to Rich Siegel with a bit more on freezing counts this winter.
Well, we're going to be talking a little bit about that. We've only had one freeze so far in the meteorological winter season. That occurred in mid-December. The average number is 12. Last year, in the winter of 2024-25, December 1st, 2024 to February 28th, 2025, we had 16 of them, but right now we are at 1. We have had warmer than normal low temperatures both in December and as we approach the middle of January. From December 1st to the 31st, our average low temperature was 46.9, which was 3.5 degrees above normal. Through the first 13 days, I didn't calculate this morning, but nevertheless, we are 8.7 degrees, 8.5 degrees above normal for our low temperatures. And so for the average of 47.7, that is 5 degrees above normal, and this explains part of why we have not had too many freezes. Our temperatures have just been running warmer than normal, but as Freddie said, there's a potential freeze in some areas tomorrow morning and then again on Sunday morning. Avery?